Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I am Vasilikis and in this video we're going to test together some more colors of the This Is Me lipsticks. I found more shades at the drugstore and I decided to buy them for this video. I have been using the lip colors of the previous video and the longevity of the lipsticks is about 4 to 5 hours. They are super creamy but they are not transfer proof, and when you drink something or you eat, you lose the intensity of the lip color. The texture of the lipsticks is very similar to the velvet matte lipsticks. One day I had on half of my lips a velvet matte lipstick and on the other side a This Is Me lipstick, and they were feeling the same all the time. I didn't go out, by the way. I was not the jogger. In this video I'm going to try the shades 9 to 20 and I'm going to link in the description box the previous video and you can find there the lip colors from 1 to 8. I'm also going to have a card here so you can find it easier. Let me know in the comments below if you like creamy or liquid lipsticks. I prefer creamy lipsticks because it is easier for me. I have dry lips. I'm starting the video and I'm losing my voice. The tea is hot, literally. Let the swatches begin. I'm starting with naughty. Let's see if naughty is nice. On my lips I only have a lip balm. This is by EOS and I buy the tube form. This one is very creamy and I use it even in winter time. I was going to say Winterfell. Let's remove this. I'm also exfoliating this way. Oh, this is so pretty. It looks like a pinky peachy lipstick. It's lighter. It goes very well with my eyes. This is a little bit patchy on me because this is a lighter color for my lips. And my lip color, as you can see, is darker. The consistency is a little bit slippery and as you can see, it's separated on the upper lip. I have this line. Naughty is not nice. After that we have the shade 12. This is Loyal. Let's see how it looks on the lips. This is super pretty for every day. This one also moves a little bit. It's not very noticeable because this one is closer to my own lip color. Let's continue with number 9. This is Special. Super pretty lipstick that looks very similar to this. I have used a little bit of my foundation on my lips because I want to neutralize the color and see if this one is similar to the previous lipstick. This reminds a little bit the previous one, but it is more cool toned and I have swatched here. This is Special. This is Loyal. These two look very similar on my skin. On my lips, I can see that they are not the same. This is going to look fantastic with a dark smoky eye look. What do you think? Is this special or not? Afterwards, we have the shade 11. This is me. Amazing. Specifically for this one I went to 2 more stores because I couldn't find it. I have found all the shades from 9 to 20 and I didn't have number 11. We have a muted light purple lipstick. Let's see how it looks. This is a very wearable lip color. After that we have the shade 14. This is Free. Okay, that's a very unique shade for me. This is pretty. And if you want to apply just a little bit, you can have a lighter color. This is a brown orange lip color. It is very rich and I think with a smoky brown eye look in the summer it's going to look fantastic. This is very creamy. It doesn't move. I neutralized my lips again because the previous shade left a little bit of orange color. After that we have the shade 13. Brave. Are you brave for this lip color? This one here is a muted purple brown dark lip color. It's very easy to use and it doesn't stain the skin. For some reason I like this one with my eyes. I don't know, I like it. Let's continue with Fabulous. Okay, I love the name. Let's see what color we have with Fabulous. This one is a light brown pink lipstick. I think it is a little bit pinkish. You don't have to be fabulous to be my girl. I think this one is super wearable. With a very small amount of this lipstick, you can make it even more wearable. I applied too much foundation. Following that, we have the This Is Me lipstick, Smart. It looks so nice. I don't have this shade again. I love this color. It is a cool toned brown dark lipstick. It is amazing. I don't know. As we can see, it is not transfer proof. For some reason, I think this is going to look fantastic for summer makeup looks. I would say this is a smart color. No, scratch that. Edit that out. We continue with the lipstick number 17. This Is Me. Beautiful. Okay, thank you. This is a darker color, but it's not staining the skin. This is a warmer brown lipstick, and I think I like the previous one a little bit more, but also this one is very creamy. You don't have to be beautiful. Next, we have the shade 16. This Is Me. Lovable. This is also a dark brown lipstick. Let's see if it is different from the previous one. It's hard for me to decide if this is a cool tone or warm tone brown lipstick. I think it has a little bit of orange, but it also has like a cool toned finish. This is a very saturated lip color and it doesn't stain my skin. It's not the same like the previous or the previous. So yeah, I can see a little bit of difference on me. Oh my god, I touched somewhere. No, it's my t-shirt. Now seriously, how do I take off lipstick from my top? Do you know? Afterwards we have the shade Unique. It looks like a cool toned dark purple lipstick. It's very shiny. I don't want to ruin it. So this one is a little bit patchy on me. It is a very dark color. It doesn't stain my skin. That's weird. It's very comfortable. It separates a little bit on the upper lip. With this one you need to apply a lip pencil if you have a similar lip color like mine. What do you think? Is Unique unique? This one stains a little bit the lips. Next we have the shade Confident. This is a little bit scratched. I don't think this was used. I think it is a factory mistake. I also like this one. I think I liked all the cool toned lipsticks. This Is Me. Ridiculous. This is very grungy and I think it's going to look very nice with only eyeliner. Yeah, let's forget the colors. This moves a little bit. I think that if I just use a lip liner, it is going to stay in place and look very opaque. Super pretty. Let me know in the comments below what is your favorite lip color of this collection. I think mine is number 9 Special. You can watch here the lipsticks from 1 to 8. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the notification bell, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!